Hello, everybody. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday to everyone. God bless you, and I pray you're having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to show you my grove, which this home loves the planet. And whoops, you're a force of nature. I almost had a force on my computer. Well, this is Miss Jackie Russell. Welcome to my channel. And are you having a good day? We're having 80 degrees right now on Sunday, December 28th. We had 86 on the 26th. Yeah, and like 82, I think, on Christmas Day. Then 86. Then yesterday was 83. I don't know, it's just hot. And today it's going to get up to 82 and then it's going to drop down in the 30s. We're going to start freezing. So we're going to get in this box. I've got news for you. If you want to be a VIP with Grove, now's a good time to do it. They have added new perks for the new year. And they are going to give you more money back and more free things. Can you believe it? This is probably the one subscription that I know of that really stands behind their customers, and they're constantly giving back to the customers. They appreciate us so much. And with a VIP, it's $29.99 per year. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about it right now because it is their new program. It's called More Perks, Green Rewards VIP, with the dollar signs on it, and you can earn rewards on every order. Spend them on anything, so it doesn't matter what you use. You can be healthier, more sustainable choices. You should be rewarded when you're doing this. That's why we've revamped our rewards and VIP program to bring you better than ever value and easy ways to save. No gimmicks, just rewards. And you can spend them on products that you love. And here's what's new. Now you can order anytime with Grove, and they have a wide selection of green products, friendly, healthy products, essential oils, things for your children, your dogs, your lifestyle, all kinds of things. Makeup, clean cleansing care, just all kinds of things. And I use their laundry, clean laundry detergent and kitchen cleaning products. But anyways, on the green rewards, even if you're not a VIP, you will get something back. And if you're not a VIP, I think you pay $6.99 shipping each time you ship. With VIP, that's different. And here's some of the differences. Green rewards, you get 1% back in rewards on every order. If you're a VIP, you get 4% back rewards on every order. That's like triple the awards. If you get 1.5% back rewards on eligible subscriptions, so you can subscribe, and that's with regular. A VIP can get 6% back rewards on eligible subscriptions. 6%. A regular can get up to 3% back during rewards multiplier events, and that's something new. I don't know exactly what that is, but when they have those events, they will be telling us what they are. And a VIP will get up to 12% back during rewards multiplier events. All right, I mean, right there, that's telling you they are giving back. They're giving back big time to their loyal VIP customers, and they're going to give back to the day-to-day or the once-in-a-while buyer as well. So everyone can benefit. The regular buyer or the non-VIP buyer gets free carbon neutral shipping on all orders, $79 plus. Hey, that's something new that they've added. So now even a non-VIP can get free carbon neutral shipping on $79. Now the VIP gets free carbon neutral shipping on all orders over $29. So we just spend $29, and that doesn't take long these days. You get a bottle of detergent, some coconut oil, and boom, you're over $29 just about. And then, of course, regular or non-VIPs get free samples, but VIPs get more free samples and full-size gifts. And VIPs also get exclusive VIP deals all year long. So those are the new things that's going on for 2026. It's probably already started. They have a refer a friend rewards, $15 in rewards that you can refer people to. So I'll put a link down there and I'll refer you if you're interested in getting on this. And then they also have a follow at Grove Collaborative, a $1 reward for following them. And that's it. Instagram is what I'm thinking. It doesn't say it per se, and it might be Facebook. Follow at Grove Collaborative, another reward. They're going to give you even more dollars. You now earn 6% back in rewards on eligible subscriptions. So they're retiring the 5% discount on eligible subscriptions because they're giving us a little bit more. And there's more to come, it says. So keep an eye on your inbox, it says. So when I know more, I'll share more with you. But this is all about the VIP program. They're beyond plastic. It's movement to reduce a single-use plastic in products we use every day. Every Grove order is 100% plastic neutral and has recover ocean-bound plastic from nature. So that is their movement, and we've been a part of it for quite a while. And I just want to thank you all for being here with me, and I hope you find this exciting. If you have been thinking about this, now might be a good time to grove. So let's get to groving on this Sunday afternoon. And right now I have sunshine, and like I told y'all, it's warm, but that's going to change. Now this was relatively a small order for me. I only needed a few things, and but they add up, and I did spend over $29. This here is the Navita's Organic Turmeric Powder. Now you guys know I use turmeric. I use it in my cooking. When I'm cooking like chilies and anything that calls for a spice, you can throw some of this in. It is great for inflammation and helps with that in your body. I also use this in a power drink that I use in my coffee. You put like a half a teaspoon with a dash of pepper in there, and you get the movement benefits, because coffee, you drink it, it's hot or warm, whatever, and you drink it down. And this turmeric will get into your joints and muscles and reduce inflammation and help you be able to walk a little better. Add a little cinnamon, and I think that's about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and that will also work in conjunction to get you moving so that you can move your body in 2026. But I highly recommend this. It is organic. I wish they had more organic spices, but they don't have as many as I would like. Like, I wish they would have organic cinnamon. That would be great. Now, the next two things I purchased are the exact same thing. During Black Friday, and yes, it's been a whole month, hasn't it? It's just been sitting over here. I got my coconut oil. I got 2 jars for $18.96 each. Regular, they are $24.99. And by the way, I got this for around $10.50, which is normally around $11 something. So I did get some savings, but I want you to know that usually you cannot get this large 32-ounce Dr. Bronner's whole kernel virgin coconut oil, regenerative organic certified. This is something that you would be interested in if you want to cook with it, because it can be in high temperatures. It's something that you can do to get your MCT oils if you want to put like a tablespoon or a teaspoon in your coffee. You can also use this on your skin. You can use it on your scalp. You can use it on your pets. You can put it on their skin if they're having a dry or itchy part on their skin. You can do so much with coconut oil besides cooking it. And this is a nutty flavor. It's coconut oil. It smells like coconut, but it's great. I mean, I love it for popcorn too. If you want to make your own popcorn at home, I would highly recommend this. It gives it that nutty flavor, and it's excellent. And like I said, I got 2 jars. And we got one busted here. Why does that happen every time? Did you see that? The bottom is busted out. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they'll even replace this because I didn't open it in time. I hope they do. I'm definitely going to be contacting them. It is busted. Oh my goodness. That's the second time I've gotten a busted one, but they've always replaced my product. I just don't know if they will at this point. Today might be my last day, or yesterday if they have 30-day return policy. I don't know. I'm kind of freaking out, but at least I have one, and that's my fault. I just didn't get to this. But I am going to contact them, and they do have great customer service. And this here is Eat Smart with our healthier free breakfast for 1 year. Oh, I might be interested in that. It's $140 off factor, and you get 90 meals for a healthier you. I might check into that. I'm trying to eat healthier for 2026. I hope nothing else got ruined in there because of this product. But I am going to move on because I ordered and I hit the free gift. I got a I got a Myers Clean Day Fall Leaves. It's a multi-surface everyday cleaner. And let's see what it smells like. It says fall leaves. Maybe I'm going to have to spray it. Maybe I'll spray it on this paper here. I sprayed it on the box. It smells pretty good. So that was for fall, but I got it for free, and that's like a $5.99 value. And then I got a bunch of other samples. I got coconut and gojo berry nourishing body wash to try out. Let's see. Ooh, that smells very good. It's like coconut and that berry scent. It smells wonderful. I'm going to like that. And that's a good size sample. Look at the size of that sample. And it's SB by Soapbox. And it's nourishes your body. It's antioxidant rich, plant-based cleanser. And it's paraben free and vegan. So I'm going to really like that. Now our next samples, and I got a bunch of little samples. I got a Dirty Labs. This is a laundry booster. It's free and clear. It's for an advanced stain and odor remover, and it's designed to remove toughest stains, I guess perma-stink and odor eliminate. I had never heard of that. Brightens more vibrant your whites and colors, removes yellow stains caused by sweat and sebum. That's good to know. I'll try that out. We got an Upcircle eye cream in cucumber, hyaluronic acid, and coffee. So that's going to be nice for the eyes. We got an Upcircle conditioner cream. This is with rosemary oil, bamboo extract, and vitamin E, plus corn, wheat, and soy proteins. So I guess it's got those in there. I'm not sure. I don't know why I'd be so happy to tell everybody it's got wheat. I don't know if I'll use that. I kind of stay away from wheat, but that's because I have, like, I don't know, a sensitivity to it. And then we got Unpaste Change Brushing for Better. And this is 10-0 Waste Mint Toothpaste Tablets. And you can see those little tablets, or I don't know if you can, but there's little tablets in there and I can see them. And then I got a surprise for y'all in a minute. I got Dirty Labs Dishwasher Detergent Booster, and it's for a standard load, and it's brilliant spark free. It's bio-based, and it's developed with green components. I got an Upcircle shampoo, so I can try the shampoo, coconut and rosemary, made with 50% less water for 3 times the washes. So I don't know, I may give that a try. And then we got this Everest, and this is the Deep Conditioning Concentrate Mini. And I don't know what that is exactly. It's a concentrate mini of what? Deep conditioning. So this is for your hair. So I don't know. I'll have to try that out. And then the biggest surprise, let me see what it looks like. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but you can see how thick that is. That is a thick conditioner. Wow. And then the thing I wanted to tell you the most is Earth Harbor has come to Grove Collaborative. We have Marina here, Earth Harbor. This is a nice little sample, and I don't know if I can read what it is that it does. This is a brightening concentrate, a biome concentrate. So hey, and you know, they just have such cute packaging, and I'm just going to drop some on, but look at that. It looks just like they're full size, but it's just a little miniature. Wouldn't that look so cute to have a set? But this is an oil that you can put on for brightening. It really doesn't have a strong scent. It's nice and light, but isn't that exciting? If you buy Earth Harbor, switch to Grove Collaborative, become a VIP, and you'll get 6% back. And sometimes you might get up to 12% if it's on one of their special multi-buying specials that they're doing. I already forgot the name of it, but you know what I'm talking about. I mentioned it earlier. But hey guys, that's my Grove order, and they always have free samples. You just plug in deals in their search or free samples, and it'll come up with all the free samples. They don't limit you. You can click on every single one of them. And if they have other deals, you can get in on those too. But I do want to tell you that I will be checking with them about my ruined coconut oil, because I don't think there's any saving this. Look at that. It is totally ruined. And I will let y'all know if they got back with me, and if it happens before I get this video out, I'll run it across there. But anyways, that's all I have today. But if it's still December, be sure and use your Santa Claus or your Christmas tree. And speaking of which, I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas. We did, and I just really hope you did too. Now let's look forward to the new year, 2026. That's all I have, guys. That's my Grove. Are you groving in the Grove Collaborative? I think you should, with the VIP perks that they've got, and I'll put my $15 referral thing, and I don't know exactly what that means, but it may mean that if you click on my link, I'll get $15 to use on my next order, or it may mean that you'll get $15 too. I really don't know because it's so new, but if you do use it, be sure and let me know so I can properly thank you. But as for today and my Grove Collaborative, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.